Do you want to create presentation that look professional and grab everyone attention? If your answer is yes, then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, I am Shakti Sharma and I specialize in data analytics and data science. I am excited to have you here because we are going to learn Microsoft PowerPoint from beginner to advanced. We will cover everything step by step from creating professional slide to working with images, shapes, smart art, animation, transition and slideshow. Whether you are creating a presentation for a college project, a job interview, an office meeting or a seminar, the skills you will learn in this video will help you create presentation that truly stand out from the crowd. And one small request, don't just watch this video, practice along with me so you can learn faster and gain practical experience. Now without any further delay, let's jump straight into the video. So friends, let me show you how you can open PowerPoint presentation in your system. It is very simple guys. Simply press window key on your keyboard. Okay. Now in the search bar you need to type PowerPoint. So once you type PowerPoint, let me zoom in and show to you. Just to look at the spelling, right? Here we can see the application of Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply you need to click on open. So once you click, you will get to the start page of PowerPoint. Now let me tell you guys, here we can see different options are available. So first we will understand the start page of PowerPoint and next we will understand the interface of PowerPoint. So here let me show to you, right. At the left hand side different options are available such as home, new and open. So basically these are known as button in Microsoft PowerPoint, and below we can see two different options are available which are option and account. We will understand each and everything step by step. Just you need to watch this video till the end. If you are a beginner, if you really want to become an expert in PowerPoint, then this masterclass is completely for you. So in this video I will show you each and everything step by step. Let me tell you guys, I am signed in with Microsoft 365 subscription, so the interface will look in this way. If you are using the oldest version like 2014, 16, 19 or 21 or 24, which is the latest version, the interface may look little bit different. So no need to worry, each and everything will be same only, little bit similar only. Alright. So first we will understand the home button. Let me highlight it, right. Under home button, we can see different options are available. The first option is blank presentation. So basically if you want to create a presentation from scratch, we will take help of blank presentation. And here we can see different themes are available. So basically these are known as ready-made templates. If you want, you can just explore more ready-made templates. Just you need to click on more themes. I will explain each and everything step by step. Just you need to focus. You need to upskill yourself. Alright. Now here we can see guys, different ready-made templates are available. If you want to explore more ready-made templates, it is possible with the help of this search bar. And in the same way we can see different options are available. Just you need to search, and these are the ready-made templates. So basically you can filter it. Let's suppose if I click on education. So once you click on education, all the presentation according to education will open. So with the help of this presentation you can save your time. These are the ready-made templates. If you want, you can explore it on your own. I will not waste your time. I will just go back to this. Okay. And let me tell you guys, this is the new button. Alright. Before we have seen the home button, now this is the new button. So what I gonna do is I will simply go to home button. Perfect. And let me show you guys. Here we can see three different sections are available. Currently we are on the recent. Next we have the favorite, and this is shared with me. If you click on recent, here all the recent presentation file will open. So these are the presentation file which we have already worked recently. In the same way, if you want to add any presentation file in the favorite, you can just click on this option available. Let's suppose this is the artificial intelligence PowerPoint presentation file. Here we can see this is the share option and this is the favorite option. Let's suppose if you want to work on this particular presentation file frequently, so what you can do is you can simply check this option. You can add this PowerPoint presentation file to the favorite. Now it is added to favorite. Now once you click on favorite, you can finally see the file which is PowerPoint artificial intelligence. So this is the main use of adding the file to the favorite. If you want to uncheck, you can simply uncheck with this option. And this is the share with me, which is like if you are sharing any presentation to your friends, or if someone is sharing the presentation, you can find all the files here. I hope you guys are understanding. If you guys are understanding, do like this video, subscribe to the channel, because this video is completely beginner friendly. If you are a beginner, don't worry, each and everything is going to be in simple and funny way. Just you need to watch this video. If you want to see more recent presentation, you can just go with this option, more presentation. So once you click, all the recent files will open. Now here you can see guys, at the left hand side, this is the open button is open, right? So basically all the buttons are interlinked with each other, just you need to explore it. Here we can see these are the recent option, shared with me, OneDrive, quick access. So basically if you want to open any particular presentation, you can just explore with this option available. Either if your presentation is present in your PC, you can just go with this PC. If you want to browse, you can browse it. If you want to open from a web, you can just go with this option. I hope you guys can see the screen, right? So these are the options available, just you need to explore it. First you need to understand the start page, because understanding our start page is very important. It is just like the Excel as well as Word document. You need to explore it more and more, then only you can become an expert. Next I will show you the account option available. Now let me zoom in and show to you. Currently I am using the Microsoft 365 plan. So here you can see the username. If you want to manage your account, it is very simple. Simply click on manage account, switch license, update license. Different options are available. In the same way, the last and final option is options, which is available at the bottom left corner. If you want, let me zoom in and show to you. We will explore this option later on. So now what I will do, I will just go to home button. Now let's see the interface of PowerPoint. If you guys are excited, do write in the comment section excited. Now what I gonna do is I will simply click on blank presentation. Okay, this is a blank presentation. Once you click, and finally we can see the interface of PowerPoint presentation look like this. Here we can see different options are available. But let me tell you one important point. If you are working on Excel, you need to work on sheets, right? If you are working on Word document, you need to work on pages. But if you are working on PowerPoint, you need to work on slide. At the center we can see this is the slide. Let me highlight it. Yes, by default it will be in 16:9 ratio. It is completely blank. It is shown in white color. Here we can see the numbering also. This is the first slide and the numbering is shown here. In the same way, whenever if you are adding any new slide, it will be shown in the left side panel. So this is the left side panel, which is very important, and it will also have the numbering like 1 2 3 so on. So basically whenever if you are creating any presentation, let's suppose you have created a presentation of total 10 slide. So basically it will give the numbering from 1 to 10, which is completely amazing guys. I will show you practically. Alright, I hope you guys are understanding. Now let's see the ribbon section. I think most of you already know. It is just like the ribbon available in the different application of Microsoft like Excel, Word document, Outlook and lot more. Let me zoom in and show to you guys. Here we can see home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design, transition, animation, slideshow. So basically these are the different tabs available, and under each tab different options are available. So these are the different options. If you are creating a presentation, if you want to give formatting, design and lot more, it is possible with the help of this option available. We will explore each and everything step by step. If you want to save this presentation, it is very simple. Click on file and here we can see save as. Once you click on save as, if you want to save this presentation on OneDrive, you can just go with this option and you can see the extension also. The extension is PPTX. Okay guys, so like whenever if you are going for an interview and the interviewer asks you what is the extension of PowerPoint presentation, you need to say .pptx. This is the extension. And if you want to browse, let's suppose if you want to save this presentation in different location, you can simply click on browse. I want to save in desktop. I will simply click on desktop. I will give the file name as presentation 1. Let it be. And in the same way, if you want to save it as PowerPoint presentation, PowerPoint macro enable presentation. If you want to save as PDF, different options are available. So right now we will just go with the PowerPoint presentation and click on save. So finally your file will be saved on desktop. I hope you guys are understanding. Now let's see guys how we can add a new slide. So what you need to do is just to go to home tab. Under home tab, this is one option, new slide, expand it, and here you can see different layout are available. Let's suppose by default it is title slide. So as you can observe, this is the title slide which is the default layout. Let's suppose if you want title and content, you can just go with this option. So once you click, look here guys, finally the new slide is added. This is the new slide, and here we can see the layout also. The layout is here, we need to give the title, and here we can enter the content. And at the left hand side, these are the numbering as I already told you. So whenever if you are adding any new slide, it will show you the numbering for each slide, 1, 2 like this. I hope you guys understood how to add a new slide. In the same way, what I gonna do is I will insert all the slides available one by one so that you will get an idea. So first I will click on section header. Once you click, here you can see this is the different layout. In the same way, next I will insert this slide which is to content. Let's click on this option. Once you click, here we can give the title and here we can add the content. So basically we can give two content side by side. And let me tell you one more important point guys. Here we can see this is the two slides available. Second slide and this is the third slide. Let's suppose I want to insert one new slide between 2 and 3. So what I gonna do is I will simply click on second slide. I will go to new slide. Let's suppose I will click on this comparison slide. I want a new slide to compare two different values, or we can say I want to do comparison between two different topics. I will just to go with this comparison slide. So once you click, and finally new slide will be insert between second slide and the third slide, which is this two, second and fourth slide. And you can see a new slide is added and the numbering is 3. If you guys are understanding, do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now basically what will happen with the help of this comparison slide, you can give the title, you can give the topic name. Let's suppose I want to give the comparison between PowerPoint as well as Excel. I can just give the title name, and here I can give the main point of both the topics side by side. Now we will insert few more slides. So what I will do, I will click on fifth slide. I will go to new slide. If you want to give only the title, you can just go with this title slide. In the same way, if you want to give only the blank slide, let's suppose if you want to add any image or if you want to insert any shapes, you can just take a blank slide. This is the blank slide. Alright. Now in the same way, few more slides are available, which is content with caption. So basically just you need to explore guys. If you want to delete any particular slide, you can simply right click on the slide, and here we can see delete slide option is available. Just you need to click on delete. So once you click on delete slide, it will be deleted. And let me tell you one more important point guys. If you want to add a new slide, it is very simple. Just you need to right click on this. Now click on new slide. So once you click on new slide, what will happen? A new slide will be inserted. So with the help of this option also, you can add a new slide. If you want to delete the slide, you can go with this option. If you want to create a duplicate slide, you can just go with this option. Let's suppose I want to create the duplicate of this particular slide. I will right click on this. Now click on duplicate slide. So once you click, now we can see the duplicate of the fourth slide. Now let's suppose if we want to rearrange the slide. Here we can see the first slide and this is the fourth slide. I want to bring this fourth slide to the first position. I will simply drag in this way. Wow, it's completely amazing, right? Let's suppose I will bring this to second position. I will just drag it over here. And finally look here guys. In this way you can rearrange the slide. If you want to undo it, you can simply press Ctrl Z. If you want to redo, you can press Ctrl Y.
Folks, we will continue with this video, but before that I would like to share an important piece of information with you. The information is all about to do the automation in Excel. Yes, you heard that right. If you are using Microsoft Excel since long and you are doing manual stuff, then let me tell you, this time is to upgrade your knowledge and upgrade your work. Now there is a huge possibility that AI will replace your work. Then before that you must have to upgrade your working style. Means if you are doing same thing again and again, that is repetitive task. But if you use automation for that task, then it will definitely help you to save your time. But what am I talking about? I'm talking about Excel Booster add-ins, that is AI powered Excel Booster add-ins that we have designed specially for the Excel user, those who are doing manual work. Suppose, take an example, you have several Excel files and you want to append these files into one master file. In order to do that, you may do a manual work like copy pasting, or else you may have no knowledge of Power Query. But again, you need to do several steps in order to apply the Power Query automation, right? But here it is, we have created Excel Booster, and if you click the append Excel file automations in Excel Booster, then what will happen? It will select all the file and append automatically, and also it will create the automation of Power Query. Not only that, guys, there are so many automations. Suppose, take example, if you are having a raw data like this and you wanted to build dashboard like this, which is completely interactive, means you can click anywhere on the chart, anywhere on the visuals, and see the reflection. It's like a Power BI and Tableau dashboard. So if you are not having knowledge of creating dashboard inside Power BI and Tableau, so do not worry. And even if you create a dashboard in that, you need to have a subscription in order to publish these dashboards and share with your management. But here it is the key secret. In Excel Booster, if you created this dashboard, you can share with anyone. You can customize this dashboard according to your requirement. And if you're really excited to know about this dashboard more, you can see the video detail in the description. I've created separate video on this, and also you can check our Excel Booster website where you can find video related to these. So if you are really interested, go and check out excelbooster.com website. For now, we are jumping back to our topic. This is about the Excel Booster automation tool, which will help you to automate your regular work. Now let's jump to our main topic.
Now let's see how we can change the layout of any particular slide. Go to Home tab. Under Home tab, beside New Slide, this is the layout option available. Now what I gonna do is, I will simply click on Title and Content. Once you click, and finally look here guys, the layout is changed successfully. In the same way, if you want to change the layout of second slide, I will just to go with the layout, and I want to show only the title. I will simply click on Title. So guys, this is how you can change the layout of any particular slide. Now let's suppose by mistake if you have changed the layout of the slide in this way, I will take this over here and I will take this over here, right? Now my task is to change the layout. So basically I want to get back to the original position. So what I can do is, I can reset the slide. So what you need to do is, simply you need to click on reset. So once you click on reset, what will happen? Finally you will see the original layout. Look here guys, this is the power of using the reset option available. So whenever if you are working on any particular slide and by mistake if the layout is changed, and if you are getting trouble, let's suppose if you change the layout in this way and if you adjust manually in this way, it will be time consuming as well as you will not get the proper layout. So what you can do is, you can just go to reset. Now we can see the original layout. I hope it is clear. If you guys are understanding, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and do write in the comment section if you are facing any query. I hope you guys are practicing along with me. Now let me show you one important option available, which is the section. This is the option available. So what I gonna do is, I will delete few slide. I will just delete. Now just to focus on all the 4 slides available, I will go to section, click on add section. Now let me tell you guys what is the use of this. So first I will rename this. I will rename to first, sorry, I will take F capital, first PPT. Okay, click on rename. Now let me tell you guys what is the use of adding the section in presentation. Let's suppose if you want to create 2 different PPT in the same presentation file. So this is the presentation 1 file, which is the PPT file. Now inside this PPT file, I want to create 2 different presentation. It is possible with the help of section. Now let me show you what is the use of this actually. Right now what I have done, I have given the presentation which is a section name as first PPT. Now this is the first PPT which contain 4 different slides. Now what I gonna do is, I will add one new section. I will give the section name as second PPT. Now under that PPT, second PPT, I will be taking 3 different slides. So first I will insert new slide. I will insert 3 slides. Now let me tell you one more important point. If you want to create a duplicate of this slide, you can use one shortcut key, Ctrl M. So once you press Ctrl M, the new slide will be inserted, which is the duplicate of the previous slide. In the same way, I will add one more slide. Yes. Now look here guys, Finally, we can see this is the first PPT which contain total 7 slide. Let me minimize it. Yes, now it is showing 7 slide, but from the 5th slide I want to create one new PPT. So what I gonna do is I will just go to section, click on add section. Now here I will give the section name. I will give the name as second. I will take S capital second PPT. Okay, rename it. So guys, finally we can see the new section is created, which is second PPT. If you want, you can minimize in this way. So this is the power of using the section. So basically what we have done, we have added the section. Suppose if you want to create the first PPT, you can just finish the first PPT. Now you can minimize this. If you want to create the second PPT, you can just go with this option available. And let me tell you few more options available. I will just to go with this section option. First I will click on first PPT, go to section. If you want to rename the section, you can just go with this rename option. If you want to remove all section, you can click on this option. If you want to collapse, if you want to expand, now what I will do, I will simply go to section. I will click on remove all section. Finally, all the sections are removed. Now look here guys, I will be taking only 5 slides. So first I will delete all the slide. Now we will be moving towards the content part. Let's suppose if you want to create a presentation on any particular topic. So I will be showing you how you can create a presentation, how to add the images, how we can change the design of the slide. In the same way, what is the use of transition, animation, slideshow, each and everything. Now we will see practically. So first what I will do, I will give the title. So I will change the layout from here. I will take only the title. If you are a student and if you want to give the presentation, you can give the title here. In the same way, if you are a employee, if you want to create a presentation on any particular project to show to the client or manager, you can just give the title over here. So right now what I will do, I will be showing you, I will create one presentation on artificial intelligence. So with the help of this presentation, we will understand how we can insert the images, what all the design options are available, and lot more we will see one by one. If you want to give the formatting for this title, it is very simple guys. Inside the home tab, different options are available. You can change the font from here. In the same way, you can increase the font size. If you want to make it bold, you can just to go with this option, make it bold, italic, underline. I think most of you already know these are very simple options available. If you want to convert into lowercase, uppercase, with the help of this option, you can change the font color. I hope it is visible guys. So this is the power of using the options available. If you want to give the alignment, you can just to go with this option. Now I want to insert one picture of artificial intelligence. If you guys know how to insert the picture, let me know in the comment section. If you don't know, don't worry. Let me show you. What you need to do is just to go to insert tab. Under insert tab, different options are available. If you want to insert the image, you need to simply go with this option, which is picture. I want to insert the picture. Now look here guys, insert picture from this device, stock image, brand image, online picture. Right now I have already downloaded the images which are available in my device. I will just to go with this device option. Now this is the image I have taken. Simply click on this image. Now click on insert option available. So once you click, and finally look here guys, the image is added successfully. If you want to resize, you can resize in this way. If you want to crop, you can right click on this. Now with the help of this option, you can crop the images. If you want to give formatting for this picture, it is very simple guys. Just to go to picture format tab. Once you click, now here you can see different options are available, like edit picture, remove background, erase, correction. You can give the correction, you can change the color, artistic effect, transparency. If you want to reduce the transparency, you can just to go with this option. In the same way, these are the different options available. But right now I want to change the style of this picture. So based on your convenience, you can change the style in this way. So here I can use the transparency as well. You can see the border is changing, right? Different formatting styles are available. So according to your convenience, you need to select the shape. So basically you need to change the style. I will be selecting this style. In the same way, if you want to give the border, you can give the border. And what we can say, you can add the picture effect also. In this way, you can add the picture effect. If you want to give the shadow, you can give with this option. And if you want to change the layout, you can change the layout of the image. Look here guys, in this way you can change the layout. If you want to add any text, you can add the text also. If you want to change the alignment of this image, it is very simple. Just to go to align option. Now from here you can click on align left. If you want it left, you can go with this option. If you want center, click on center. Right. So look here guys, just you need to understand the logic. You need to explore it, because once you explore, once you practice only, you will understand it clearly. I will take it at the center. So what I will do, I will click on align middle. Perfect. If you want, you can adjust according to your convenience. I will go to picture format. If you want to rotate, you can rotate with the help of this option available. If you want to crop the image, you can just to go with this option. Click on crop. You can do it manually in this way. If you want to crop it according to the shape, let's suppose I want to show this image in this format. Let's suppose I want to show in heart. So look here guys, in this way you can crop the image, and you can see different options are available according to your convenience. You can just go through it. So basically these are the options available whenever if you are creating any interactive presentation. What I will do, I will simply undo it, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So guys, this is how you can insert the picture and give the formatting to the picture. I hope you guys understood. Now let me show you one more important option, which is stock images. So let's click on stock images. So basically these are the stock images stored by the PowerPoint. So no need to download from web or anywhere. You can simply search here. Let's suppose I want to add any happiness image. I can just go with this happiness, and from here I can insert any image. I will be taking this image. I will take this image, click on insert. Once you click on insert, so guys, finally the image is inserted on slicer. This is how you can take help of stock images. In the same way, let me show you one more option is available, which is very important, which is brand image and online picture. So right now we will focus only on the online picture. Let's click on online picture. A new dialog box will appear. Here you can see these are the different categories available. Let's suppose I want to show the car. I will simply click on cars. Here you can see these are the car images. I will be selecting this car. I will click on insert. So guys, finally the car image is inserted successfully. So this is the online image available, and you will see the photo. This photo by unknown author is licensed under CCBY something else. This is how you can add the images in slide. I hope you guys are understanding. Now let me cancel this. Now what I gonna do is I will insert one new slide. Click on this. I will be selecting this blank slide. Okay, now this is the blank slide. Now here I want to insert two images, and I want to ask what is AI. So first I will insert the picture. I will click on this device. Now this is the image I have taken. Simply click on this image, click OK. So guys, let me tell you, this is the PNG image. Now this person is asking, so basically he has a confusion, what is AI? He don't know actually what is AI. Now if you want to make the presentation with little bit attractive, so what you can do is just to go to insert tab. Under insert, I will be taking from here shapes. Go to shape, and here you can see different shapes are available. These are the recently used shape, lines, rectangle, basic shapes are available. And next we have block arrows. You can take the shape according to you. So now what I will be doing, this person is having one doubt. So I will be taking this shape, call out. I will be taking this call out, and I will insert the shape in this way. I hope you guys are practicing along with me. Now this person is wondering, I will take the shape here. Just for the animation purpose, I am taking this shape so that you guys can understand it. If you want to change the color, you can just go to shape format. From here you can change the color. I will be selecting this color. Now this is the border. If you want to change the border, you can change the border according to your convenience. I will be selecting this border. Right. Now inside this I will add the text. What is the text I will be adding? I will add here what is AI. So basically this person is asking what is actually AI. The color is white color. So what I will do, I will just go to test fill, and from here I will change the color. Perfect. Go to home. I will make it bold, increase the font size. I think it is perfect. So guys, look here, this person is having one doubt, what is AI? Now I will add one teacher. I will go to picture, go to this device. Now here I have taken this PNG image of one teacher. I will be inserting this teacher. Click insert. Now finally this person know everything about AI. Let's assume this person is you only. You are watching this video and you are very intelligent. I know guys, you are very intelligent. Now you have already know, basically you know already what is actually AI. So what you will be doing, you will give the solution for this person. So what I will do, I will again go to insert, click on shape. From here I will be selecting one different shape. So which shape I will select? I will be selecting, no, this one not. So what I will do, I will take this shape, rounded. Okay, this is the call out. I will take the shape in this way. And if you want, you can adjust according to this. So basically you are pointing like this. Okay, you are pointing to this person, and this person is telling that what is actually AI. AI is nothing but the ability of machines to learn, comma, think and perform, sorry guys, perform task. Okay, in this way you can give the definition. Just for your understanding, I am taking this. I think it is correct only. Learn, yes, it is correct. If you want, you can adjust the size according to your convenience. I will change the color of this. The color is not looking perfect. And let me tell you one more important point, guys. So whenever if you want to make any changes, like if you are changing the color of any shape, so what you can do is just to go to shape format. Under shape fill, there is one option which is eyedropper. I think most of you don't know what is the use of this. Let me show you. Just to click on eyedropper. Let me remove this yellow color highlighter. Okay. Let's suppose I want to show this color. So basically I want to take this color. I will simply click on this color. Wow, it's completely amazing. Now if you notice carefully, here we can see the color is same. Okay, this is the same color. If you want to change according to different color, you can take help of this one which is eyedropper. I hope you guys are understanding. Now what I gonna do is I will change the color, font color. I will be selecting this color and I will make it bold. Let's click on this. Finally, we will change the outline. Just you need to practice, guys. You need to practice along with me because I will teach you each and everything step by step so that you can understand. Now, look here, guys. What is AI? This person is asking, and this teacher is telling the ability of machines to learn and think and perform tasks. It is known as AI. So, basically, I will insert one new slide again. Now I want to do the comparison. So what I will do, look here guys, I will take this comparison slide. So basically with the help of this you will get an idea. I will be showing you how you can add the animation, what is the use of transition, each and everything we will do with the help of this presentation which we are making. Now here I will give the title as AI tools comparison. Comparison. Finally this is comparison between AI tools. So here I will write AI. I will take AI capital tool. These are the AI tool, and here I will use main use. What is the main use of which AI? So basically here I will give the AI names as ChatGPT. I think most of you already know what is the use of ChatGPT. The main use of ChatGPT is writing, comma, coding, and if you want you can use the ampersand to show and here you can write question and answer. Right, if you want you can insert one new line like this, click enter. So finally we are giving the comparison between different AI tools. So right now we have given the ChatGPT which is writing, coding and question and analysis. In the same way, if you want to compare Gemini, you can simply write here Gemini and you can give the main use of Gemini. Click enter, go to next line. Here I will write Gemini is mostly used for AI search, AI search and it is assistant. ASSISATANT assistant. Right click enter. Now let's see one more AI tool which is Copilot. We often call it as Copilot. Okay, this is Copilot and the Copilot is used for coding and productivity. Coding, emphasize productivity. Productivity. VT. Perfect. Click enter. In the same way, I will give one more AI tool, CLAUD. The Claude AI is very powerful if you want to do writing part or document analysis. It is very powerful, guys. If you want to learn Claude AI in detail, I have already provided one complete video on Claude AI. The video link is given in the description below. Make sure you watch that video. Now this is the Claude AI tool. Now what I gonna do is, we have seen the comparison between the AI tool. What is the use of AI tool and main use of AI tool? These are the different types of AI tool. Now what I will do, I will insert one new slide. Here I will be taking this slide which is picture with caption. I want to add the picture as well as caption. So what I will do, here I will be taking key features. What are the key features of AI tools? So this is the key features, and here I will type few features. So what I will do, I will simply copy and paste it over here. So instead of wasting time, I will be taking here, and what I will do, I will just to go to this option bullet point. I will add the bullet point with the help of this option. According to you, you can add, you can take different bullet points are available. I will be selecting this bullet point. Okay guys. Now I will insert one picture here. I will simply click on insert picture. Now click on from device. So once you click on from device, now I will select this picture, click insert. So guys, finally the picture is inserted. So this is how you can insert the picture in that particular box. If you want to change the picture style, you can just to go with this option. So what I gonna do is, I will select this picture, and finally it is looking perfect. Now let's suppose this is a small presentation. Just for your practice, I have shown you how actually we can add the images as well as how we can give the test. Now let's see few more options which are available in the insert tab. Click on insert tab. If you want to add a table, you can simply click on this table option available. This is the picture option. If you want to take the screenshot, you can just to go with this option. This is photo album. I will explain you later on. This is cameo. So basically, if you want to record your video, you can just add the cameo. And this is the shape as we have already seen. Now let me show you guys what is the use of icon. So what I will do, I will insert one new slide. Click on this. I will insert one title only slide. Okay. Go to insert tab. This is the icon. Let's suppose if we want to insert any icon. So here we can see different icons are available. So what I will do, I will take any one icon. So from here, I will be taking this icon. Okay. Click on insert. So guys, finally the icon is inserted. So basically, whenever if you are creating any presentation, you need to use these features which are very important. So with the help of this option, you can add the images. If you want to insert the icon, you can simply take help of this option. So whatever icon you want, according to that, you can insert the icons. Like here we can give this image, like this icon we can insert. These are very important guys, so that your PPT will look very attractive. I hope you guys are understanding. Now let me delete this also, title delete. Okay. So basically these are the couples. Sorry guys. Just for example, these are the couples who are doing what we say dating. They are dating. Okay. Now click on insert. Now let me show you what is the use of this 3D model. Let's click on this device. Sorry, not 3D model. I will just to go with this option stock 3D model. So once you click on stock 3D model, here you will find online 3D models. From here you can insert different categories are available. Let's suppose I will add the emojis. I will click on emoji. Wow, look here guys. These are the emojis. So what I gonna do, I will add this heart emojis. Okay. Heart emoji I will be adding. Click on insert. So guys, finally look here. This is heart. The heart is duck 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 duck. Sorry guys, this is different topic. Just for example, I am taking this. Don't take any seriously. In the same way, if you want to rotate, you can rotate according to this. Look here guys. So in this way, you can rotate the 3D models. If you want to add few more, you can add. Just to go to insert tab, click on 3D model, stock 3D model, and from here if you want to give the gift also, you can add the gift, which is completely amazing. Just you can practice guys, the practice makes a man perfect. I will add these balloons, and finally the balloons will be inserted. Wow, it's completely amazing. I will add few more. One more I will add, guys. Click on stock 3D model. From here, I will add the celebration. I will be adding gift. Now, the gift is very important because if someone is meeting, you need to give the gift, right? I will be adding this gift. And finally, if you want, you can decrease the size of this gift. So, this is how you can take help of these features which are available. I will insert one new slide duplicate of this. Now, I will delete this. Perfect. Now let me show you what is the use of this smart art, which is very important. I will click on smart art. Now inside this box, different types of options are available like list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship and lot more. So what I will do, I will just to go with the list, and from here not list, I will go with hierarchy. I will be selecting this one. Now click OK. Now this is actually multi-dimensional hierarchy. I will be taking here AI tools. So basically, if you want to show anything in type of what we say hierarchy or in branches, you can take help of this smart art tools available. Now AI tool, I will be give the AI tool name as Chat GPT. Okay, here I can give AI tool name as Gemini. Just for explanation, you need to understand, guys. So basically, I'm explaining each and everything so that you will get clarity. What is the use of these all options available? Now this is a smart art. If you want to change the style, you can just go with this option. So from here you can change the color. Alright. So this is how you can change the color. If you want to change the design, you can change the design, which is completely amazing, guys. Look here. I will be selecting this design. Now it is completely perfect. I hope you guys are understanding. In the same way, lot more options are available. If you want to add any comment, you can just insert the comment. You can give the comment. Right now, I will cancel this comment. In the same way, if you want to add header and footer, you can just to go with this option. If you want to add date and time, you can click on this option. Update automatically. This is the date and time, and this is English language, fix, slide, number, footer, don't show on title. Now what I will do, I will simply click on apply. So once you click on apply, so guys, finally here we can see the time. Okay, this is how you can take help of header and footer. So right now the time is not visible. Okay, from here you can add the time. So what I will do, I will select the time. Perfect. Now, if you want to apply on all the slide, you can just to go with this option. I want to apply on this particular slide only. I will click on apply. So guys, finally you can see in the footer, we can see the time and date, right? This is how you can add. So right now I will cancel this. I will delete. In the same way, you can see this is the word art and this is date and time and this is slide number. If you want to add the slide number, you can add the slide number. Simply you need to check this option. Now click on apply. So once you click on apply, finally we can see that this is the slide number 6. So basically these are not required mostly. It is used whenever if you are creating any report in Word document. So right now I will off this slide number. Click on apply. Okay. If you want to add any equation, you can add the equation. Different equations are available. And if you want to add any project, like if you want to insert any PPT, something else, you can just to go with this option. And these are video and audio. I will show you later on. Now with this, guys, we have seen what are the options available in home and insert tab. Now we will be seeing how we can give the design for all the slide. Right now the design is very simple. It is completely white color, right? The background is white color. If you want to change the design, here we can see different themes are available. So first you need to go to design tab. Under design tab, these are the options available. If you want to change the style, look here, guys. This is how you can change the style of your presentation. Let's suppose what I will do, I will select this design. So once you click on this design, wow, look here, guys. This is how you can change the design of complete slides available. If you want to change the design, you can just go with this option. You can select the design according to your convenience. So basically, whenever if you are selecting the design for all the slide, it will change automatically. Okay, this is how it is changing automatically. Now let's suppose if you want to change the color. So first I will select any good design so that it will look proper. I will be selecting, no, this one not. If you want, you can explore. So what I will do, I will select this one. No, it is also not looking good. I will be selecting this one. Yes, I think this is looking perfect. I can adjust the shape. Okay, I will take this here. And this is the, okay, artificial intelligence. So what I will do, I will give the center alignment. Perfect. Go to next one. Yes, look here guys, it is looking completely perfect, right? You can give the center alignment. These are the key features, and it has given the formatting also, which is completely amazing. So this is the benefit of using the design. I hope you guys are understanding. But here the line is coming for these two people. So what you can do is you can take these two people here. I right now it is perfect. In the same way, this is the last one, which is AI tool. I can adjust the size of this AI tool. This is the start, right? And at the last, what I will be doing, I will insert one new slide, and here I will give thank you. Okay guys, thank you. Finally, this is a thank you I am telling to everyone. So just for explanation, we have created this presentation. So guys, this is how you can change the theme of all the slide just by one click. You need to go to design tab. Under design tab, this is the theme, and just you need to expand. From here you can change the theme. And let me show you guys, if you want to change the color variant, you can just go with this option. Let's suppose if you want different color, according to this you can select the color in this way. Now look here guys, this is how you can change the color. I hope you guys are understanding. Now finally we can see we have given the design, and let me show you one more important point. Let's suppose this is the first slide, right? I want to give the color for one particular slide. So basically whenever I am selecting any particular theme, what is happening? The theme is applied for all the slide. Now my task is I don't want to apply the theme for all the slide. For first slide only I want to change the theme. So what you can do is just to select the theme according to your convenience. So what I gonna do, I will select this theme. Now simply you need to right click on this theme, apply to all slide, apply to selected slide, delete. So what I can do is I can simply click on apply to selected slide. So once you click, and finally look here guys, this is the power of using the options available. Now what happened, basically the first slide will only change, all the remaining slide will be as it is, there will be no change. In the same way, if you want different theme, you can select the theme from here. Now what I will do, I will take the previous theme only, I will select this theme. Now let's suppose guys, if you want to change the layout of this complete presentation, by default it is 16 is to 9 ratio. I will just to go with slide size. By default it is 16 is to 9 ratio. If you want in standard 4 is to 3, you will get one pop-up. If you want maximize, if you want ensure fit, I will simply click on ensure fit. So basically what is happening, it is completely fitting in this particular 4 is to 3 ratio. I hope you guys are understanding. Let me undo it. Control Z. Okay. If you want custom slide, you can just to go with this option. From here you can give the height and width of the slide. Okay guys. And if you want in A4 size, you can see different options are available. I will not explain each and everything, just you can go through it. And this is the format background. Let's suppose if you want to change the format background. So first what I will do, I will just to go with this option. I will apply this one. I will click on this apply to selected slide. So once you click on apply to selected slide, it will show you the original, which is the default color, right? I will just to go with this format background. If you guys are learning something new, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because it motivates me to bring such more amazing content. Now here we can see different options are available, which is solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture, pattern fill, hide background graphic. By default it is white color, right? I can change the color in this way. Look here guys. In this way you can change the color for this particular slide, which is completely amazing. But right now what I will do, I will take it as white color. I will go with the gradient fill. If you want to change the color, you can just go with this option. You can select the gradient fill in this way. Okay guys, this is how you can change the color. From here you can select any different color. If you want to select different color, you can just go with this option. This is how you can change the gradient according to your like business requirement. If you are creating any presentation, you can take help of this gradient. If you want to add any picture or texture fill, you can select from here. So look here guys, this is how you can select the picture and texture. If you want any pattern, you can just go with the pattern options available. So this is the power of using the options. I hope so. With this, we have seen how to give the design for all the slide, and this is the draw tab available. Let me zoom in right. If you want to insert any ruler, you can insert the ruler in this way. So right now it will show you the ruler. You can off the ruler. In the same way, if you want to add any pen or pencil like this, you can make changes. Look here guys, so let's suppose if you are teaching anything, like if you are teaching online, so what you can do is you can use these options available. Okay, now let me tell you one more important option guys, which is photo album. So what is the use of photo album? Let's suppose if you want to insert 10 images, or you can say more than 100 pictures, it is possible with the help of photo album. At a time you can insert the images. If you want to see the magic, let me insert one new blank PowerPoint. Press Ctrl N on keyboard. Yes, I will go to insert tab, click on photo album, new photo album. Now from here you need to click on file disk. Okay, click on file disk. Now from here I will be selecting these 5 images. I will select these 5 images, click on insert. Now finally you can see guys, 5 images will come. I will select the images in this way, 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the preview of the image. Now this is one option which is fit to slide. Whether if you want all the images on single slide, if you want one picture on single slide, two picture, and different options are available. So right now I will click on create. So guys, finally look here. This is the power of using the photo album. Just by one click, you can insert the images. I hope you guys are understanding. This is the power of using photo album. Whether you have more than 100 images also, you can insert the images in this way, which is completely amazing. If you want to change the layout, you can just click on this edit photo album. Let's suppose I want to show, let me zoom in and show to you one picture with title, two picture with title in this way. So what I will do, I will simply click on this option. I will take this 4 picture. So basically if you click on 4 picture, it will show 4 picture on single slide. From here you can change the shape according to your convenience. I will select this rounded rectangle. So once you click on update, and finally look here, it's completely amazing. This is the power of using the photo album. Let me cancel this. If you guys understood this concept, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you are facing any query. Now let's see this complete presentation on full screen mode. So what you can do is, either you can click on this option available, which is slideshow, bottom right corner, or you can use one shortcut key, which is F5 on keyboard. Let's press F5 on keyboard, and finally look here guys, this is the first slide. Next we can see second, this is third and fourth, and this is the fifth one where you can see the heart is beating, and finally it is thank you. But it is not looking perfect. So whenever if I am switching from one slide to another slide, it is very simple. Now I want to add few transition. Now if you want to minimize the screen, what you can do is you can simply press escape on keyboard. Now it is minimized. Now what is the use of this transition tab? Let me show you guys. Transition tab. Let's suppose if you want to add the transition between these two slides, it is possible with the help of this transition tab. Here we can see different options are available. This is subtle, and this is exciting, and these are the dynamic. Let me show you power of this all the transition one by one. If you click on this push, so basically what will happen, you can see this is how the transition work. If you click on wipe, look here guys, just you need to explore it. It is completely amazing. If you click on cut, it will cut. If you click on random bars, this is how you can add the transition. so that your presentation will look completely amazing. Guys, look here, which is completely amazing, right? If you want to show the curtain, you can show the curtain also in this way. So these are the transition option available. If you want to show the crush like this, crush, crush, crush. If you want to show fracture, and these are the prestige, and this is peel off. So different transitions are available. Based on your convenience, you can select the transition. And this is origami, flu, 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 flu. And this is aeroplane. Foo. This is how you can see, guys. So these are the options available. These are the transition. Now what I will do, I will apply one transition for the second slide. I will be taking this transition which is peel off. Okay, peel off transition. For the third one, I will be using this one, clock one. Yes, and for this one I will be selecting this. Not, I will select this one. Or what we can do is we can add the curtain. Okay, I will add the curtain, and this is amazing. So for this, what we gonna do is we will be adding this one, right? Not this one. I will be selecting honeycomb. Wow. No, no, no. It is taking lot of time. If you want, you can switch to different options. Here we can see more options are available like this. Okay. If you want to change the effect, you can change with the help of this option, either from left to right or right to left. So what I gonna do is I will select this zoom one. Okay, guys. Just for your understanding, I am explaining each and everything so that you will have an idea how actually these all options work. What I will do, I will select this push up, and this is finally crash. And now let's see the power of this transition. So what I gonna do is I will simply press key F5 on keyboard and look the final output. This is the first slide, and for the second slide it's completely amazing. Look here, guys, it is getting peel off. And next, wow, it's completely amazing. Now you can see the curtain. So this is how you can make your presentation more in fun type. Yes, it is completely funny way. I hope you guys are understanding. So this is the power of using the transition. If you want to exit, you can press ESC on keyboard. If you want, you can edit the transition also. If you want to keep it none, you can click on this option. If you want to see the preview, you can just to go with this option available. In this way, you can see the preview, guys. Look here. If you want to see preview, you can just to go with this option. Here we can see at the right hand side different options are available, like sound, duration, apply all, advanced slide. Let me zoom in and show to you. So whenever if you are switching from one slide to another slide, if you want to add sound, you can just to go with this option. No sound, by default it is no sound. If you want to add the sound, you can just to go with this option available. I will select any different sound. Okay, I will select this coin. And what is the use of this duration? Let me tell you, guys. So whenever if you are using this transition, let's suppose this is the transition, it is taking 1.25 second. Okay, let's suppose I want to reduce the duration of 1 second only. I can reduce in this way. Now you can see the preview. It will move on in 1 second only. If you increase the duration in this way, let me take here 3 seconds. If you see the preview, it will move on slow. So basically this is the transition, and you can also hear the sound. Let me add the sound. I will take this coin. Let's, wow, look here, guys, this is how it is working. So right now what I will do, I will give the duration of 1 second only. In the same way, you can see the duration for each slide. For this slide it is taking 6 seconds. I will reduce the duration to 2 seconds. Okay, and what I will do, I will add the sound. I will write here typewriter. Now just to listen the sound carefully, I will click on preview. Wow, it's completely amazing. I hope you guys are understanding. This is how you can understand the options available. Okay, and this is the last option, which is advanced slide. Here you can see on mouse click, which is already checked. What is the use of this? Let me tell you, guys. So basically whenever if you are showing the presentation with the help of mouse cursor only, the transition will move. I hope you guys are understanding. Now with this we have done with the transition. Now we will understand what is the use of animation. If you guys are excited to see what is the use of animation, do write in the comment section, and if you are facing any problem, let me know in the comment section. Alright. Now by default, if I click on animation, all the options are disabled right now. Okay, all the options are disabled. Let me tell you guys, whenever if you want to apply the animation, it will apply only on the text as well as images. It will not apply between the slide. So basically it will not apply for the transition. It will apply only for the text as well as images. Let me show you the power of this. Let's suppose this is artificial intelligence. Here you can see the animation will be activated. These are the entrance and animation. These are emphasis, and this is the exit, and this is motion path. If you want to see more, you can just to scroll down. These are the more options available. So first we will understand what is the entrance. If you are a beginner, don't worry. Let me explain you each and everything step by step. If you click on entrance, this is the appear. Look here guys, if you want to float in this way, you can take help of this option. So this is the use of adding the animation. So whenever if you are making a good presentation, you need to add the animation also, but it should be little bit professional. If you want to make it emphasis like in this way dancing, so first I will take this random bars. In the same way you can see these are the options available. If you want, let's see few more options. This is the complement line color. It will show you the line color, fill color. So right now I will make it none. Okay, for this I will be applying only this wheel 1. This is wheel 1, and for image I will apply the animation. Now look here guys, I have applied the animation for the test, and it is showing the animation as 1. Okay, this is how it will show the animation. Now for the image also I will add one animation. So for this I will be adding different animation. I will select this one, split. Now with the help of this option you can change the effect option. If you want either vertical in, out, horizontal in and out, in this way you can take help of this option. Now look here guys, this is the first animation, this is second animation. If you want to see the preview, you can just to go with this option available, click on preview. So once you click on preview, now finally you can see this is how your animation will look whenever if you are showing the presentation. Now this is the second animation. Now let me show you guys. So first I want to add this animation. Okay, I want to show this person. So what I will do, I will click on zoom. Yes, this person appear. Now this person, I have one doubt. Okay, what is AI? Let's add one animation for this person. I will be adding split, not split. What I will do, I will be adding wipe. I will select from left to right. Okay, now I want to apply the animation. So basically I want to show this person. This person should come. I will click on bounce. Wow, he is bouncing, and he is yes, it is zooming. Okay, this person is zooming. He is a teacher. Now I will add this animation. For this I will be adding this animation. No, this one not. I will add none. First of all I will add the none, and for this I will be taking fade, or what we say, I will click on fly in. Now let's see the power of this animation guys. Let me click on slideshow. Yes, see the first one, and finally look here how the animation is working. It is completely amazing, right? Look here, this person is having doubt what is AI. Now this person will appear and it will tell the ability of machine to learn, think and perform. Now this presentation is looking completely amazing, right? So in this way you can add the animation by which your video, so basically your presentation will look completely amazing. In the same way you can add the animation for the other slides also. I want to add the animation for this. So what I will do, I want to add the exit animation. Okay, I will be using this one wheel. It will be exited. Let's see guys whether it will work or not. So let's see the power of this, and look here guys, finally it is exited. Okay, This is how you can add the animation. Now with this we have seen how to add the animation. In the same way, let me tell you guys, if you want to make any changes to the animation, you can use this option. Let's suppose I want to add one more animated animation for this. Let's suppose this is the selected I have taken animation. I will click on add animation. If you want to add two animation on single shape, or we can say object, you can just go with add animation. From here I will click on exit animation. Okay guys. Now what I gonna do is I will select this shape. Now this is exit. If you want, you can see the preview also. First it will come in this way, and finally it will be exit in this way. So this is how you can take help of add animation. If you want to change the animation path, you can just to go with this option. So basically right now the first animation is this one, second one is this one. Let's suppose by mistake you have changed the animation in this way. You have applied this animation at the first. So let's see the preview of this animation. So first this person is coming. So basically the animation is not looking perfect. So now what I want to do is I want to show the animation of this person at the first. So what you can do is just to go to animation pane. Now this is the first animation highlighted. I want to show in third position. I will simply drag in this way. Now it is finally perfect. You can see the preview also, 1 2 3 4, and at the last you can see it is exit. So this is how you need to understand the logic guys. You can reorder the animation with the help of this animation pane, which is very important, and you can see these are very important. If you want, I can make one detailed video on animation topic. Just let me know in the comment section if you want that detailed video. So with this we have done with what is the use of animation, transition, and lot more. Now finally we are left with the slideshow. Let me tell you what is the use of slideshow. Let's suppose if you want to show the slideshow from beginning, you can just go with this option. Now look here guys, this is how you can show the slideshow from beginning. Now let me escape and ESC. If you want to show the animation from the current slide, you can just go with this option. Now it will show the animation from the current slide. In the same way, this is the custom slide. Let's suppose if you want to show only custom slide, I will click on new. So from here you can select the slide. Let's suppose I want to show only any few slide. I want to show the first slide, second slide, fourth slide. I will click on add and now click on OK. So once you click, the custom slideshow is added. Now click on show. Now finally look here guys, only we will able to see the three slides. First slide, second slide, and at the last we will see the fourth slide. So basically what is happening, we are able to see only the three slide with the help of this custom slide which we have added. If you want to delete, you can delete this one. Just you need to remove in this way. Okay. Let me click on yes, it is removed finally. And this is the rehearsal with coach. So basically with the help of rehearsal with coach, you can see the timing. Actually it is not showing, no problem. We will see later on. Yes. Now what is the use of setup slideshow? Let's click on setup slideshow. Now let's suppose guys, if you are going for any presentation, like if you are taking any webinar class, if you want to show like before starting the webinar, if you want to repeat any particular video should be repeating. So what I will do, let's suppose what I can do is right. If you want, you can take an example of this one only. So what I will do, I will go with the setup slideshow. Now from here you can just to click on this loop continuously until escape. You can just to go with this option loop continuously until escape. So basically it will go on repeat from the loop. Here you can see the slide from 1 to 7, right? So what I will do, I can change the slide from here. I will click on from, I want to repeat only 1 to 3 slide, or I will take 1 to 2 slide, and you can see slide show monitor on monitor 1, and this is the, so basically I am using monitor and laptop, so I want to show the slideshow on monitor, and on primary monitor I will see the preview of it. Now click on OK. Now let's see the power of this setup slideshow. I will show the presentation for you. Press F5 on keyboard. Now first it will show you the first slide. Okay. Next it will show you the second slide. The second slide will come, and finally again what will happen, it will start with the first slide again. So basically it will go on loop. So whenever if you stop only, then only it will stop, or else it will go in a loop. It will repeat first slide, second slide, in this way. I hope you guys are understanding. Now let me tell you one more important point. If you want to hide any particular slide, let's suppose I want to hide this second slide, I can simply go with this option. Now you can see guys, let me zoom in and show to you. The second slide is hidden, right? So basically the slide will be shown in this presentation, but it will be hidden when you are representing it. Let's see first slide, and look here guys, the second slide is not visible. It is starting with the third slide. I hope you are understanding. So this is the use of hiding the slide. If you don't want to show any particular slide, I can unhide it. Click on this option. Now let's see what is the use of rehearsal timing. Here you can see on the top the timing is started for the first slide. Let's see, this is the first slide. Let's suppose if you are explaining this first slide, you can note it down the time. Okay, just you need to note down the time, how much time you are taking for the explanation. Now if you move to the second slide, the time will start again. Look here guys, the time will start again. So this is how you can note the note the time. So basically with the help of this option you will get an idea how much time is each slide is taking. Okay, let me off it. Click yes. So finally this is the use of rehearsal timing, and this is the record. You can record if you want to explain this slide. You can record with the help of this record option available. And these are some play narration, use timing, show media control. And let me show you, if you want to show the slide on this particular monitor, from here you can switch to different monitor. Right now I am showing the presentation on the monitor. If you want to show the presentation on the primary monitor, which is the laptop, you can just go with this option. Now let me show you guys. Once I click on slideshow, now on the screen you can see, you can able to see the preview of the presentation. In the recording, I hope it is visible. So basically with the help of this presenter preview, what will happen, let me show you again. Here you will able to see the preview. So let me highlight it. This is the current and this is the next animation. So basically it is the current animation. Here you will able to see the next animation. What is the next animation? If you click enter, now it will show you the next animation will be in this way. So basically whenever if you are giving any presentation, this animation which is the presenter preview is very important, because sometime what will happen, you will not know what is the next animation, but with the help of this option you can understand it easily. If you want to change the setting, you can just go with this option, swap present preview, view and slideshow. So once you click, now the preview will change. So this is how you can swap the monitors. Okay guys, we are left with the last two options, which are insert audio and insert video. Let me show you how you can insert. Go to insert tab. Here you can see these are the two options available, insert audio and video. So first let me show you how you can insert the audio. Let's suppose if you already have a audio on your PC, you can just go with the first option. I will click on this record audio. Now here you can give the name. I will give the recorded sound only. Now let's start the recording. So guys, look at the presentation. The presentation is looking completely amazing. I hope you guys are practicing along with me. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to bring such more amazing content, and make sure you share this video to your friends also. So guys, this is the audio I have recorded. I will simply click OK. Now finally the audio is saved. So what I will do, I will simply play the audio. So guys, look at the presentation. The presentation is looking completely amazing. The audio is completely I hope you guys are practicing along with me. You can add the Please audio, make sure guys. Let me off it. If you want to give formatting, you can give the formatting for the audio. Different tabs options are available. Audio format. Okay. So right now I will delete the audio. I hope you guys understood how to add the audio. Now let's see the last and final option, which is adding video. Now let's suppose if you already have the video in your device, you can just go with this option. If you want the stock videos, just go with the second option. Let's suppose I don't have any video. I will go with the stock video option available. From here I will select any different video. Let's see which is the romantic video, which will be, yes, I will select this one, or let me select this one. I think it is perfect. No, it is not perfect. So we will be selecting, okay, this video is completely perfect for this scenario. Okay, this scene is completely perfect. Downloading video of one of three. Sorry, I think the three videos are selected. No problem, we will delete it. And guys, finally wait for a few seconds. It is starting downloading, and finally it has downloaded. If you want to see the video, let me go to video format. Sorry, selection pane. Okay, this is a video. Let's see, this is which video. Let me minimize it. Let me delete this video, and this video also delete. Yes, I want this video. This video is very perfect. I want to show this video, guys. Look here. Just to focus, guys, this video is completely perfect for this scene. Yes, now I want to play this video. I will simply click on this option. Wow. So first let me swap the presenter preview. Now let's see the next slide. And wow, look here. It is completely funny, right? So this is the power of using the video in your presentation, which is completely amazing. So friends, finally we have covered every important Microsoft PowerPoint topic from beginner to advanced. And now it's your turn to put these skills into practice and create amazing presentation. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss any upcoming update. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, keep learning. Take care. Bye bye.